Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD and some numbers. Let's start. Red color, brown color, light blue color, neon color, orange color, dark blue color, black color and pink color. Let's start. Yellow color, yellow color. A for apple. A for apple. Green color. Green color. B for ball. B for ball. Blue color. Blue color. C for carrot. C for carrot. Green color. Green color. D for dog. D for dog. Yellow color. Yellow color. E for elephant. E for elephant. Blue color. F for fish. F for fish. So kids, now time to write down some numbers. Let's start. Which color we use? We are using dark green color. One. Number 1. 2. Number 2. 3. Number 3. 4. Number 4. 5. Number 5. So kids, what we learn today? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F. And we learn some number also. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. So kids, we learn some alphabets and some number. But we learn here some shapes also. Do you see shapes? What we learn? This is square. This is square. This is square. This is square. This shape 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 is square. So we find out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 square. What we find out here? We find out square shape and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 square here. So kids, did you see any other shapes here? Yeah, we can see some other shape also here. Circle. Did you see circle? These all are circle. One circle, two circle, three circle, four circle, five circle. So kids, what we learn today? We learn ABCD 1 2 3 5 1 2 3 4 5 countings, and we learn two shapes also, square and circle. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you in next video. Till then, bye.